Welcome to Restro POS. In this quick tutorial, to begin, head to the sidebar and click on Staff. This opens the list of all team members. Use the search bar to quickly find a team member by name or email, especially helpful when you have a large staff list. Showing their name, email, and assigned role. To make changes, simply click Update next to the member's name. You can update details like their email or reassign their role. To add a new staff member, click Add Member. Fill in their name, email address, phone number, set the password and select a role, such as admin, waiter, or manager, then hit Save. And that's how you manage your restaurant staff using the Restro POS staff module, giving you full control over access and accountability.